In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Booking.com. It's a great way to book your travel accommodations with flexible payment options. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you have a seamless booking experience. First, you'll want to navigate to Booking.com on your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll find the homepage with various options to explore your travel plans. In the search bar, enter your desired destination. This could be a city, specific hotel, or even a landmark, depending on where you plan to stay. Be sure to choose a location that aligns with your travel plans to get the best recommendations. Next up, it's time to select your check-in date. On the Booking.com homepage, there's a calendar feature that makes this easy. Simply click on your chosen date of arrival. It's a good idea to double-check this date to ensure it matches your travel itinerary. Once you've set your check-in date, you'll also want to select the checkout date for your trip. Again, make sure this aligns with your schedule to avoid any booking conflicts. With these details in hand, hit the search button. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of available hotels that meet your criteria. Scroll through the options, keeping in mind the location, price, and amenities that are most important to you. This is your chance to compare various accommodations and find one that checks all your boxes. Once you've reviewed your options, select your preferred hotel by clicking on it. You'll be directed to a page with more detailed information about the hotel, including photos, reviews, and detailed descriptions. Take a moment to review these details to ensure it's exactly what you're looking for in terms of comfort, convenience, and budget. When you're ready, click on Reserve to hold your room. You'll then see an option that says, I'll reserve. Click on this to confirm your choice and move forward in the booking process. Now, you'll need to enter your correct personal details in the booking form. This step is crucial for confirming your reservation, so make sure everything is accurate. Following this, you'll be directed to the next stage where you'll be prompted to click on Final Details. This is where you verify your reservation details before proceeding. Finally, you're ready to complete your booking with your payment details. On this page, submit your Klarna card information to finalize your reservation. Klarna offers convenient payment plans, making it easier to manage your travel expenses. Double-check all the information before submitting to ensure a smooth transaction. And there you have it. You've successfully booked a hotel on Booking.com using your Klarna card. This flexible payment option allows you to travel with ease and peace of mind. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.